Discover the magic of Yerba Mate Tea Powder. Boost your energy and wellness. Hey there, tea lovers. Looking for a natural boost to your energy, focus, and wellness? Well, you're in for a treat today because we're diving into the magic of Yerba Mate Tea Powder, an ancient, powerful elixir that's been energizing people for centuries. Stick around to learn how this magical powder can transform your daily routine. Yerba Mate, hailing from the lush forests of South America, isn't just any tea, it's a powerhouse. Made from the leaves of the Ilex paraguayensis plant, this super powder is packed with natural antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals that can take your health to the next level. So, what makes yerba mate so special? Well, it contains caffeine, theobromine, and polyphenols, giving you a clean, sustained energy boost, without the crash you get from coffee. That means you'll feel awake, focused, and ready to conquer your day, all while staying calm and centered. Pretty amazing, right? But that's not all. Yerba mate is also supercharged with health benefits. It helps improve digestion, supports the immune system, and even enhances mental clarity. Plus, it's packed with B vitamins, which are great for keeping your body energized and stress-free. And did I mention its rich, earthy flavor? You can enjoy it in a variety of ways, whether you prefer it hot or iced, plain or with a twist of citrus. Yerba mate is as versatile as your lifestyle. Want to kick it up a notch? You can even blend yerba mate powder into smoothies or use it as an energizing base for your favorite drinks. Imagine sipping on a yerba mate latte or adding a spoonful to your post-workout smoothie. The possibilities are endless. Now let's get real. Yerba mate is more than just a drink. It's a ritual. Whether you're sipping it solo in the morning, sharing with friends, or enjoying it on the go, it brings a sense of calm, focus, and connection. It's all about finding that perfect balance. Energized but relaxed, focused but calm. So why not add a little magic to your day? Whether you're a tea enthusiast or a coffee lover looking to try something new, Yerba Mate Tea Powder is your new best friend. It's the perfect way to elevate your energy, enhance your well-being, and discover that true magic within. Ready to experience the magic of Yerba Mate? Grab yours today and start sipping your way to a more energized, focused, and balanced life. Cheers to your health and wellness. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.